Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies using microwave. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and preheating nothing, since microwaves heat fast. Melt butter with chocolate until smooth, then whisk in sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, and a pinch of salt. Mix until just combined for a fudgy texture. Pour into a greased dish, leaving 1/2 inch at edges, and monitor cooking in short bursts to avoid overcooking. For the best texture, fold ingredients gently and avoid overmixing, which leads to cakey brownies. Use a spatula and stop when streaks disappear. If adding nuts or chips, fold them in last so they stay evenly distributed instead of sinking. Aim for a slightly glossy, thick batter that holds its shape in the dish. This helps produce fudgy brownies rather than airy cake, especially important for quick microwave cooking. Set your microwave to medium power, or 50%, and cook in 30-second intervals to avoid overcooking and boiling over. Check doneness with a toothpick. You want moist crumbs, not wet batter, and pull the dish a little early since carryover heat continues cooking. Allow the brownies to rest in the microwave for several minutes so heat evens out, then cool further on a rack before slicing to keep clean edges and fudgy centers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.